Good morning, everybody. I figured today what we'll do is we'll go through pages 15 and 16. That was the polynomial long division homework. So ideally, you've tried these problems already, and then you can check your answers, okay? Now, fast forward, pause, whatever you got to do, go at your own pace here. If you're just looking to check answers, you can kind of cut through the explanations. If you need the help is here, all right? So I'm going to go through each of these. And let's see what we get here. Write each of the following in the form a plus r over x minus b. Don't worry about doing these like we did in exercises 4 and 5. That's an alternate technique. We're just going to use the long division for each of these, and these will be pretty quick. All right, so let's see. X plus 2 into x plus 6. X goes into x once, right? X times 1 is x. So distribute the x plus 2 to the 1, subtract. X's cancel, 6 minus 2 is 4. No more x's, that's our remainder. Okay, so basically what we get was a quotient of 1 plus our remainder over the original divisor. And that's what's meant by a plus r over x minus b form. Okay, looking at part B. Okay, again, x times 1 is x. We'll distribute and subtract. And let's see, x minus x cancels. Negative 10 minus the negative 3. Careful with the double negative is negative 7. So again, we have a quotient of 1. And instead of writing plus negative 7, I'll write minus 7 over the x minus 3. And there we have it. Okay, for the next one, x plus 2 into 2x plus 5. So here we're going to have to multiply x by 2 to get to 2x. Distributing, we'll get a 2x plus 4. Subtracting a remainder of 1. So here we have a quotient of 2 plus 1 over x plus 2. Okay. And if you were to actually get a common denominator and add these back together, you're going to get back what you started with, 2x plus 5 all over the common denominator. Okay. And for part D, here, x times 5 would be 5x. Distributing, we're looking at 5x minus 20. And negative 2 plus 20 is a remainder of 18. So here we have 5 plus 18 over x minus 4 for our answer. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. If the expression 10x plus 11 divided by 2x plus 1 was placed in the form of 5 plus a over 2x plus 1, what would be the value of a? Well, based on where a is, that looks like our remainder. So we're really kind of just figuring out what the remainder is here. Let's see. So 2x times 5 is 10x. Distributing and subtracting, we get a remainder of 6. All right, so we indeed get a quotient of 5 plus 6 over the divisor, and in any event, choice 1 is our answer. Okay, let's go through these. Okay, x times x is x squared. Distributing, we get x squared minus 3x. Okay, 5x plus 3x is 8x. Bring down the negative 24. X times 8 is 8x. And distributing, we get this back. The remainder is 0. So the answer here is just the quotient x plus 8. No remainder. There we go. Okay, next one. Okay, this time 3x times 2x would give us 6x squared. Distributing the 2x, we're going to get a 6x squared minus 4x. 6x squareds cancel. 11 plus 4x, 15x. Bring down the minus 10. Okay, now 3x times 5 would give us 15x. Distributing the 5, we get a 15x and a minus 10. Subtracting, again, the remainder 0. So here we get a final answer of just the quotient 2x plus 5. And no need to write 0 over the 3x minus 2, because 0 over anything is just 0. All right, so we just get those back. 0 remainder is great. Let's take a look now at the next page. Okay, x times x is x squared. Distributing and subtracting. Negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2x. Bring down the 11. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. Okay, distributing, we'll get this. And 11 minus 8 is a remainder of 3. So here we get quotient x minus 2 plus remainder over the x minus 4. Okay, next up. X times x is x squared. Distributing, we'll get x squared plus 7x. Subtracting 2 minus 7, negative 5x. Bring down the negative 25. X times negative 5 is negative 5x. Distributing. Careful your double negatives here. Negative 25 plus 35 is a remainder of 10. So we end up with x minus 5 plus 10 over the x plus 7. Okay, next up. Okay, x times 3x is 3x squared. Distribute. Seventeen minus 12 is 5x. Bring down the 25. Okay, x times 5 is 5x. Distributing and subtracting, remainder 5 here. So here we're going to have 3x plus 5 plus remainder of 5 over the x plus 4. Okay. Okay, now we're going to look at part D. Hold on, I need to yell at my girls for a sec. Girls, get out of here. I'm doing work. I'm making videos for my students. So you need to stay out of here. Say hi, students. Say hi. Now you're going to be shy now?
No.
Go. Go, girls. Go. Go and stay out. All right, back to part D. X minus 8. Okay, x times 5x minus a 40x when we distribute. Careful with the double negative. Negative 41 plus 40, negative x. Bring down the 3. X times negative 1 is negative x. We get negative x plus 8. And subtracting 3 minus 8, negative 5. So it looks like we're going to get 5x minus 1 minus 5 over the x minus 8. All right. And 2 to go. Okay, x plus 5 into a cubic this time. All right, x times x squared is x cubed. Distributing x cubed plus 5x squared. Subtract 2x squared, bring down the other stuff. Okay, x times 2x would be 2x squared. Distributing the 2x, we get 2x squared plus 10x to subtract. 17x minus 10x is 7x. Bring down the 41. X times 7 is 7x. 7 times x plus 5 is 7x plus 35. And looks like our remainder is 6. So here we're going to get x squared plus 2x plus 7 plus 6 over the x plus 5. And finally, Okay, x times 2x squared gets us to 2x cubed, distributing 2x cubed minus 6x squared. Negative 11 plus 6, negative 5x squared. Let's bring the other stuff down. X times negative 5x is negative 5x squared. Negative 5x times negative 3, positive 15x. 22 minus 15, 7x. Bring down the minus 25. X times 7 is 7x. Negative 25 plus 21, remainder of negative 4. So here we get 2x squared minus 5x plus 7 minus 4 over the x minus 3. All right, so why don't you guys give page 17 a try, and then probably tomorrow or next time I upload, we'll go through that one together. Okay, practice this stuff. It does show up on the Regents quite a bit. Let's hope that we're still going to be taking that and prepare just to move forward like we always would. All right, guys, have a great day, and we'll talk soon.